and I fell in love. Shawty's a little taller now. Into big things, he's a baller now. His car never changed, I can see he's still down. I can't forget it. More than his voice is changing.
Hey guys, it's Jericho. Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do another wig review on this exact same wig. I decided to give it another chance. Like, this is not going to be a really long video, but I decided to give it another chance and just try it on one more time, kind of play with it and see what happens. Now, so this is a Sensational. I gotta pull it up. Probably should have done that before I started this video. Okay, so this is the Sensational synthetic lace front wig, Empress Edge natural curve part. Alana, I'm not sure how they say it. But this is the wig. I had got it in the color 4, I think it was 430. And I tried it on the video. I told you guys this review is over. This wig is horrible. It's ugly. It looks like somebody's auntie, granny, whatever. Like, I'm like, this wig is horrible. But I decided to try it one more time. So let me just give this wig one more chance, because I needed to take a picture in this wig. And I'm like, I'm telling Sans Beauty, I'm like, y'all, I don't have a picture of me wearing this wig because the wig looked that bad. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try this wig one more time so I can get me a good picture of this wig. So here I am wearing the wig again. I kind of like finger combed it a little bit. The one thing I do want to say is the wig looks nothing like it does on the stock card. Like, it looks like a really short wig, which it's short, but it's not as short as it's showing on the model. Like, look at this. The wig looks extremely short on the model. Like, the layers and the bangs don't even look the same. Like, the wig looks completely different. So I'm like, is this really the same wig? I guess it is. So yeah, this color is, I think it's DX4130 is what it was. But anyway, so I decided to play with it. I added a little bit of my powder to the part, and I'm just going to put a little bit of mousse on it. I always do this last, but I need to be doing this first. So I'm just going to smooth it down, see what happens. So I'm really trying to make this wig work, y'all. So yeah, so this is the wig. Like I said, like, one side is longer than the other, so that's kind of weird. And this is the only way you can wear this wig. Like, it's a part that has to be on your left side. So if you don't like left parts, you're not gonna like this wig. But yeah, so let me just show y'all from the side. So this is from the side. This is this side, which I told y'all in the last video, I'm like, it looks semi-decent from this side. And then here's again the front. So this is what we are working with. I think maybe the reason why I don't like this wig is the color. Maybe it's just the color. I don't know, y'all, but I still don't like the wig. I like it better than I did in the last video. The last video, I was just roasting the wig, okay? I was like, nope, this wig is not for me. This wig is for older ladies. I'm like, yeah, I hate this wig. So after trying it again and playing with it for a little bit, I still don't like it, but it's not horrible like I said it was. So let's just put that out there. It's not a horrible wig anymore. I still don't like it. Still not gonna wear it out the house, but it's not horrible. And I honestly would probably just cut this extraness right here and just have it be like a short, cute bob, because this extra long piece of hair. And I even like A-line bobs. I like bobs that are longer on one side, but this just looks disproportionate, honestly, in my opinion. I wonder if I could switch the part. Let me just see. So maybe I'm just wearing it wrong. Ooh, the lace is so hard, you guys. So yeah, even with it this way. So this is with it this way. So maybe you can wear it on either side. Okay. I think you can. I think you can wear it on either side. Yeah, I'm thinking you can wear it on either side, whichever way you'd want to do. So this is how it looks on, and it's actually even this way. So yeah, I think if you want it, I think you could wear it either way. So now this is, I'm going to show you guys it again since I switched it over. So it's not completely terrible anymore. I don't know what was going on with it in the last video, but for some reason it just was not working. I don't know what changed, y'all. Like maybe the wig went back in my closet and decided to reform itself, because this is not the same wig I put on the other day, y'all. Like this wig the other day was just like old lady vibes. Today it's not so much, but it actually looks pretty cute. I'm starting to like it the longer I wear it. So yeah, so this is the Alana Sensational. This is part 2 of the wig review. I don't want this video to be too long because I've already went over all the details. If you want to see the first video, I will link it down below in the description bar. But yeah, that's pretty much it with this wig. So this was just part 2, just to come back to y'all, just to give it another go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a good day.